How effective are blackout zebra blinds at blocking light? Blackout zebra blinds are highly effective at blocking out unwanted light, providing near-complete blackout capabilities. The alternating sheer and opaque stripes work together to create a barrier that can significantly reduce the amount of light entering your living room. Can blackout zebra blinds be used in rooms other than the living room? Absolutely. Blackout zebra blinds can be used in a variety of rooms, including bedrooms, home offices, and media rooms, wherever you desire enhanced light control and a cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Are blackout zebra blinds energy efficient? Yes, blackout zebra blinds can contribute to improved energy efficiency in your living room. By blocking out sunlight, they can help regulate the temperature, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and potentially lowering your energy bills. How do I clean and maintain blackout zebra blinds? Blackout zebra blinds are relatively easy to maintain. Regular dusting with a soft cloth or vacuum cleaner attachment, along with occasional spot cleaning as needed, is usually sufficient. Avoid using harsh chemicals or submerging the blinds in water. Can blackout zebra blinds be motorized? Yes, many manufacturers offer motorized options for blackout zebra blinds, providing added convenience and the ability to control the blinds with the touch of a button or through voice commands. Need help with choosing a window covering solution? Speak to one of our window treatment specialists today at 416-571-3315. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and have a great day.